friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make Chemba Puttu in a coconut shell. This is a very famous breakfast recipe in South India. This recipe is very aromatic when cooked in a coconut shell. Very healthy and a filling breakfast recipe. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mixing bowl, I have taken 1 cup of Chemba flour. To this, add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and give it a quick mix. Then to this add 1 cup of water and mix well again. Now we have the proper consistency, so close it with the lid and let this rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, open and give it a quick mix. Again close and wait for another 10 more minutes. After 10 minutes, our Chemba Puttu flour is ready. Also keep ready half cup of grated coconut. Today I have taken a coconut shell with a hole in the bottom. Close the hole with your finger and add a layer of grated coconut. Then fill it with the Chemba Puttu filling till the top. Now it's all ready to get steamed. Heat a pressure cooker and to this add 1 cup of water. Close the pressure cooker and place the coconut shell in the place of whistle. Close it with another coconut shell on top. Steam for 5 minutes in medium flame. After 5 minutes, you can see steam is coming from the holes near the lid. It means it's done. So remove from the steamer. Serve it nice and hot with some coconut milk and palm jaggery and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, delicious and a healthy recipe. So do try this Chemba Puttu recipe at your home and write back to me a feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.